Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ricky Ross, and in this video, I'm going to answer a question I get from some people who contact me. And that main question is, do I need a business bank account for Amazon FBA Germany? I get asked this question a lot because people who start Amazon are kind of like confused as to the difference between a business bank account and a personal bank account. Now, this is in relationship to people who live in Germany. So I'm going to answer this question based on the fact that I live in Germany, and that's where my experience is. So I'm going to give you my 2 cents on it. So before I start, I wanted to say thank you to everybody that's tuning in and listening and watching my videos. Like I said at the beginning, this is Ricky Ross. I've been selling on Amazon since 2021. So for those of you who don't know me, that's basically what I do. I sell on Amazon. Started back in 2021, and first year made over 100,000, and that's in relationship also to Amazon FBA Germany. Good. So in this video today, I'm going to try to answer or at least give my experience on 4 things. Number one, which bank account do you need to have when you register your business? Okay, and that's Gewerbe in German. And which bank accounts you need when you register for Amazon Germany or Amazon Europe. And then, do you need a credit card when you're registering for Amazon? That's question number 3. And then 4, can you change a bank account after you've registered for Amazon Germany? Okay, so we're going to jump into the first question. First of all, let's clarify. In Germany, when you have a personal bank account and you register your business as an Einzelunternehmer, that's a sole proprietor, or even a Kleinunternehmer. Now, the Kleinunternehmer does not apply when you're doing Amazon, because you must register as an Einzelunternehmer. Now, you will do that when you're actually getting your VAT and tax ID number, business tax ID number. That is after you have registered your business, you've gotten your Gewerbeschein. That's like a trade certificate, and this is from the Gewerbeamt. The next step you need to do is register or apply for business tax ID number and a VAT number. And that's in German, it's Steuer ID number and Umsatz ID number. Umsatzsteuer ID number. Okay. So in this process, you will specify that you are that you need VAT, that you want to charge VAT. Okay. And in this process, this is where you need to also write down a bank account number. Now, in this process, the reason you need this bank account is in case the Finanzamt, that's the tax authorities, want to send money to you. They send it to this bank account that you state, and you would state this bank account in your Fragebogensteuerlichen Erfassung. That's a tax questionnaire. Okay, in this tax questionnaire, they ask a lot of questions, and then you fill this out. Now, this is for people who feel comfortable using the Elster to register their business. Other than that, there are third parties that you can use to register your business, one, and also get your VAT, two. Okay, so step number one, when you're getting your VAT and tax ID number, you need to put a bank account. Now, when you're registered as an Einzelunternehmer, the bank account must be in your personal name. So, do you need a business bank account? Here in Germany, when you go to one of your local banks, say for instance, you go to Commerzbank or Deutsche Bank, if you're going to do business, if you're going to be using your bank account as a business account, you need to tell them, because if you open a personal account and you start using that personal account as a business account, they could approach you and tell you, no, you cannot use this personal account for business activities, because when you're doing a business, we charge differently for people who do business. So when you open a bank account, you need to let them know that you are doing business, so they don't surprise you and tell you to, or try to shut your account down because you're doing business with it. So yes, there is a difference in Germany, there's a difference between a personal account and a business account. But if your bank doesn't care, then you can feel free to use your personal account to do Amazon. The bottom line with Amazon is that account must be in your personal name, because you're registering on Amazon as a sole proprietor. So that's the main reason why you need to make sure that your bank account name matches the same name you have on your business registration. That's what Amazon really cares about. And Amazon also cares about the address on the bank account statement, because when you're registering for Amazon, you're going to upload a PDF. When they ask you to do a verification of your bank account, you need to show them your bank account statement, and that bank account statement must have your name and your address, and they must match whatever name and address you gave them in the application. Okay, so that's I went too far with step number one. So one is when you're registering your tax ID number and VAT registration number, you do need a bank account. Now, does it need to be personal or business? I would say register for a business account with your local bank, so this one bank account is the same bank account you will use as or for your business. Okay. Then the next one is bank account needed during Amazon registration? Yes, a bank account is needed during Amazon registration, because they want to verify your bank account. They want to check the name and the address. Does it match the name and address you gave when you were writing your name and address? Because you're registering as a sole proprietor. That's Einzelunternehmer. Okay. Then another step number three, question number three I wanted to clarify in this video is also the credit card information you need when you're registering for Amazon. Okay. When you're registering for Amazon, you do need a credit card. This credit card must have a Visa logo or MasterCard logo. Now, Amazon doesn't like the prepaid MasterCard or MasterCard or Visa cards. They don't like that. We tried that a while back and they rejected that. Now, but if you have a bank account that has a debit card attached to the bank account, and that debit card has a MasterCard or Visa logo, yes, you can use that. You can use that to register with Amazon. Amazon will accept it, or should. I hope they haven't changed their policy. So you need a credit card with a Visa card, with a Visa or MasterCard, or even American Express logo. As long as it has one of the major credit card company logos on it, then you're good to go. So why does Amazon need a credit card? When you're applying or registering on Amazon, the subscription you choose they will charge you for the first month on your credit card. Okay. So when you choose a professional, which is $39 a month, they charge your account $39, and they have a special where if you're registering for Amazon Europe, which includes 7 or 8 countries, each other country they charge you €1 for each additional country you choose. So if you're choosing multiple countries, just understand that they charge you $39 for the main country and then €1 for the other countries. And that's only for Europe. I think other Amazon USA is different. Okay. So that's the reason why you need the credit card. Now, understand that the credit card is just so they can charge that fee. Okay. But as you're making money assume you register for Amazon and you're selling and you're making money in your Amazon account, the money that Amazon needs to send to you will be sent to the bank account that you state on there, the bank account you gave them. So they will not send money to your credit card. And also, if you're selling, a time will come where they will not charge your credit card anymore. They simply deduct the fees, the subscription from the amount of money you make on your Amazon. Okay. So just FYI. So the fourth question is, can you change bank account after registering for Amazon? Most definitely. Yes, you can. So you can definitely do that. Yes. But it will involve you having to verify that bank account all over again, meaning you'll have to give them a printout. They'll double check it and make sure the name on the new bank account matches your name and the address matches your current address. Okay, guys. So I just wanted to make this quick video to answer this few questions, or clarify this few questions. So once again, I thank everybody who watches my video and everybody who's subscribed. If you haven't, please do so. Subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. And if you have any questions, you can pretty much send me an email. I typically have my email in the description down below. And yes, okay, one more thing I forgot to mention here. One more thing I forgot to state in this video is the bank account. Some people tend to ask me this question, can I use an online bank to do Amazon? Online banks are banks like Revolut, N26, Wise.com. Yes, if that bank account they give you from those online banks have what we call an IBAN number, IBAN number, yes, you can use it. Say, for instance, Revolut, which I have seen, and I've seen a couple of people use it. They offer bank accounts from countries like Lithuania, where the EBAN or IBAN number starts with LT. And then banks like Wise.com. One of my students did sign up with Wise, and yes, he was able to use the bank account from Wise, which was a Belgium-based bank account, and it started with BE. Yes, and Amazon did accept it. So yes, you can use those online services or online banks to do Amazon, as long as they have an IBAN number that's accepted in Europe. Then you can definitely use any one of those bank accounts to do your Amazon Europe or Amazon Germany. Okay, so I'm going to put a link in the description for N26. That's another online bank account, and Wise.com and Revolut. I'll put a link in the description in case anybody out there wishes to open an online bank account to start Amazon. Okay, guys. So yeah, once again, it's your boy Ricky Ross, and I appreciate the love. Any questions, simply reach out to me per email. I do offer one-on-one mentorship. So in case you need help with Amazon Germany, I'm your boy. So holla back, and it's a wrap. Thank you, guys.